Alrighty, so we're going to try this GoPro out, and we're taking delivery of my C8 mid-engine Corvette. I'm going to go ahead and take my mask down for this. Finally been waiting for this, so let's go ahead and get into what I have here. So hopefully the distortion comes out good. We got the carbon fiber, visible carbon fiber roof. We got my carbon fiber rear caps, and of course the carbon fiber splitter there. Go ahead and split that up. Absolutely stunning. And of course we went with the black trident wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Natural dipped interior, Napa leather, suede up in the A-pillar there. Right there or something. I'll look at that later. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and close this door first. Let's show this engine appearance package. Includes the carbon fiber sides and the LED lights up there. Plenty of room for 2 bags of golf, and then the roof gets stored right here as well. It's a soft close top. I'll close this door right here. And there's my baby. I've been waiting 1.5 years to wait to get my hands on. Finally got the key fob right here. Let's go ahead and keep going here. Open this up. Let's start her up. That way you can hear the AWE touring exhaust. Oh, so good. And this is all suede as well, because it's a 3LT. This is suede, real Napa carbon fiber. There's your phone insert right there. There's the dash. And you got the carbon fiber here. Carbon fiber here. You push this button, there's the camera. You have different cameras. Front, there we go. That's the view I wanted. You have different modes as well. You can put it in sport. I'm gonna change in a second. Yeah, there we go. And then we got track. I want to make a short video. It's not gonna be like a full-length video because I'm not gonna do any editing or whatever. I just wanted to do something, test out my GoPro, test out, you know, film my delivery, actual delivery of this thing. Crazy journey. 19.5 months waiting for this thing. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. See, be on the vlog here. Absolutely.
Is that the regular exhaust or?
No, I upgraded it.
Yeah. That's nice.
Thank you, thank you.
Enjoy your car.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Somebody likes it already. So, all right, guys. So that's it for me for now. Oh, let me show you. This is a camera right here. So you flip that, and then you have to adjust it for reflection, but you can't see anything because of the mid-engine. The engine's back there. Let's see that engine. It's all the way back there. Isn't that dope? That 6.2 liter V8. So you can't see anything out of the back there. So you flip this little screen right here, and then you got a camera display. How dope is that? Anyways, I'm gonna do more reviews and more cameras and more clips and stuff. I just want to do something quick right now, right when I took delivery, but honestly, I'm gonna go drive. Deuces. How do you turn this off? This is how you turn it off.